So testosterone drives prostate cancer, so we want to suppress testosterone. And for many, many years, this what is called androgen deprivation treatment or therapy has been the established management of prostate cancer. But we know that was not adequate. And so over the last several years, new treatments have emerged that have really improved overall survival. One of the drugs that has been used, we have the brand and we have the generic. It is on the National Health Fund, and they cover close to $95,000 as the cost of that drug. So $95,000 per month to get that drug. But the drug is not in the National Health Fund pharmacies. They're only in private pharmacies. So at the lowest, the patient ends up paying $90-something thousand, like $93,000, and that's at the lowest. If they go elsewhere, they'll pay $135,000. So that drug needs to be put into the National Health Fund pharmacies. If they put it in there, it is sold to them at a lower rate, and therefore the patient can benefit. And we're talking about uninsured patients. Most of our population is uninsured. So this particular drug interferes with the enzyme and prevents the production of testosterone, which is what you want to do, right? And therefore you can suppress the progression of prostate cancer.